Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor. It is July 20th. We are one day away from the Allendale Summer Conference Series kickoff. It will start tomorrow. We're going to dive right into the weather. So one of the biggest reasons for these markets to stay on edge and to see us chopping back and forth in such a drastic measure is the weather, and that's going to be a concern for the rest of the summer as well. So we're going to get right into that tomorrow and talk about the expectations. How are we going to finish out this crop? What are we looking at right now with what we've been dealt as well? So we're going to do that tomorrow. And then Wednesday, get into the grains and a real in-depth look at corn, beans, and wheat. The fundamentals, give you more of an outlook forecast as well, what to expect, and then some strategies. What do you do with all the information we're given, and where do we go from here? And then Thursday, diving into livestock, same thing there, fundamental outlook as well as strategies too. So big event coming up. Get registered online. You can do that, as I mentioned, online. Either call us. We can do that for you as well. But get yourself registered here today. Looking at why we've got corn down 9, beans down 15, wheat down 10. The time of the year that we're in right now, late July, with the weather forecast that we have in front of us for the next couple weeks, certainly putting some pressure on these markets. We had the funds that went from significantly short to now significantly long. And with the weather forecast, I think they're going to lighten up on some of their positions. We've got some good support areas just below the market right now that we really need to pay attention to. If we do start taking out some of these areas, we could see some ugly trade here. But keep an eye on that here. But the weather does look good. As far as cattle, we've got box beef that was down again, 65 cents lower for choice. Select down 143. 148 cash traded last week. That's $2 lower. But no major news out as far as cattle. More in the hogs, though. Cutout values were down about 23 cents. But there's a lot of concern out there as far as margins. So what we're already talking this morning is that you're going to have one plant completely closed, so shutting down, one of them operating on only a single shift instead of doing double shifts, and then one down for just maintenance issues. So it's about 32,000 fewer head here this week from just what we're talking on these plant closures. So we'll have to see what kind of reaction we get today from that. That's really not a friendly reaction in the market, but we'll see where things end up here today. Stock market up 37 points. Crude oil down 30 cents right now, with the dollar up just 8. So watch the grains. Stay ahead of that weather. Get registered for the conference here tomorrow, Wednesday, and Thursday. So we'll be glad to help you guys any way that we can. You can reach us here, 800-262-7538, or on the web at allendale-inc.com. Have a great day. We'll talk to you again tomorrow. Take care.